opening wide shots of the massive factory exterior, interior, and initial herding of thousands of sheep. Sets the immense scale, narrator, detailed and awe-inspired tone. Welcome to the logistical core of the world's natural fiber supply. We are deep inside a facility that operates on an astonishing scale. The world's largest sheep shearing factory. This massive structure is not just a shed. It's a meticulously organized system designed to handle continuous high-volume throughput, processing thousands of animals with unwavering, relentless efficiency every single day. Transition to the shearing pens. Close-ups of shearers selecting a sheep, moving it into position, and the very beginning of the shearing process. Focus on shearer readiness. The entire operation hinges on the seamless transition from holding pens to the shearing board. The process relies on disciplined, practiced movement. Each individual shearer is responsible for maintaining their rhythm and timing. Observe how the highly trained shearer skillfully secures the animal, ensuring its safety, comfort, and stillness throughout this swift, necessary procedure. This routine has been perfected over generations, strictly balancing operational speed with animal welfare. Detailed sequence of the actual shearing, focusing on the smooth, continuous movements of the clippers, close-ups on the wool coming away cleanly in one piece, shots emphasizing the physical effort. Witness the extraordinary precision required. The professional shearer manipulates the clippers like a surgeon's tool, working in long, smooth, continuous strokes across the animal's body. The ultimate goal is critical. Remove the entire heavy fleece in one continuous, massive blanket. This minimizes second cuts, short pieces of wool that significantly reduce the overall quality and market value of the fiber. It is a grueling, non-stop physical performance that demands absolute strength, endurance, and profound delicacy. The shorn sheep leaves the platform. The fleece is immediately and vigorously gathered by a wool handler, rouseabout, and forcefully thrown flat onto the immense wooden sorting table. Skirting. Immediately after shearing, the newly relieved sheep departs the floor to rejoin its flock. The factory's focus instantly shifts to the raw material. The fleece is handled by the rouseabouts, the vital assistants, and is dramatically thrown flat onto the skirting table. This crucial act allows the entire fleece to be spread out evenly and wool side up, exposing all areas for meticulous inspection by the classers. Close-up on the wool classers, meticulously removing the edges, skirting, which contain lower quality wool. Detailed shots of them visually assessing the center fleece quality. This is where the valuation begins, led by the masters of fiber, the wool classers. With highly experienced eyes, they swiftly skirt the edges. That means removing the often stained, short and coarser wool found near the belly, legs, and neck. This segregated lower-grade wool will be processed for different products. The remaining pristine center fleece is then visually assessed and graded based on its critical metrics: fineness, micron, consistent color, and staple length. The graded high-quality fleece is separated into different sheets or bins according to its specific classification. The rapid, consistent, and massive volume of wool being moved into separate sections is highlighted accurate. Classification is the bedrock of market value. The main fleece is separated into numerous dedicated categories. Every handful of fiber must be correctly sorted to meet precise international market demands. This meticulous sorting process ensures that the farmer supplier receives the maximum return for their highest quality product and guarantees the consistent integrity of each separated grade being sold. Transition to the baling station. Wool is fed into the giant hydraulic press chamber in massive quantities. Dramatic shots of the hydraulic ram coming down with intense force to compact the wool into a block. Now we witness the raw industrial might of the factory. We arrive at the baling station, where mountains of fluffy, voluminous wool are about to undergo their final dramatic transformation. The hydraulic press, a massive, powerful piece of machinery, applies intense pressure to compact hundreds of pounds of fiber into a uniform, dense and perfectly rectangular shipping-ready block. This process is essential for efficient global transport. The finished bale is secured with strong metal bands or twine. The unique identification stamp is applied. Final, slow pan across the colossal warehouse filled with stacked, finished bales, emphasizing the scale of the inventory. With the bale fully secured and stable, The operator applies the unique stencil or identification stamp. This crucial mark certifies the bale's contents, recorded weight, and guaranteed origin. It is now officially ready for sale and global shipment. Take a final look around. Rows upon rows of high-grade wool, stacked high to the ceiling. This colossal inventory represents months of dedicated farming, skilled labor, and powerful industry, supplying the raw material for the finest textiles and garments worn by millions across the globe. This is the true measure of the Global Machina Frontier. Final cinematic flourish. Outer music swells and fades out.